everyone, and welcome to the day. Out here today with Mr. Potato. I should start it over too. And today, Junior, we need to seriously ask Mr. Potato like how he got his name. Like, why do they call you Mr. Potato? You know, like Blinker Steve got his name because he uses his blinker a lot. Dirty Old Joe got his name because he rides around dirty. So why is Mr. Potato? Oh, it says no trespassing. This is how we know we're in the right spot, because it says private property, no trespassing, no shooting. So obviously this is the right place. You know what I need to do? Hold on. Let's put this in my pocket. Get in there. Oh, okay, there we go. Holy shit, look at that. Holy moly, that whole thing looks like it's about to collapse.
Well, see right here? That's where the road used to go across from here. And during this last rain, they had to make this new road probably like 4 months ago. It keeps eroding, it's gonna be gone.
Hey, we are now on the road of Lockheed, which used to make, I don't know, they might still, is Lockheed still in business? Anyways, this is where they would do experimental aircraft, rocket, and testing. How cool though, look at that. This is our new garage, the Grom Garage. Oh, he rode inside. Yay! Yay! Man, I don't even know if I can do that. Whoa, shit! Oh! Oh! Well, that got me dizzy. Holy crap. Where'd he go? Mr. Potato? Hello? Hello, Mr. Potato? Where the fuck did this guy go? I think I just did so many donuts, I time fucking warped. Oh, he's doing hill climbs. Should we do this one? Since he's hill climbing, let's do this one. Let's see how far up we can get it. We'll see how far up we can get up the hill. Woo! We're gonna get all the way to the top, boys. All the way to the top. Woo! Look at all these quail, guys. Look at them. Holy shit. Look at, they're all the way up this. Look, they don't even want to run from me. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so fucking cool. Here we go. Oh, yeah! Alright, that looks like a rocket fucking launch site, huh? Alright, but so far, guys, this has been probably like one of the most awesome explorations ever. We're going to be coming out here very... Holy shit, guys, what is this? Look at this, what the fuck? They totally are gonna, we're gonna launch the fucking Groms. I'm gonna get a picture. Yeah. Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Holy crap, let's back up.
Munitions may be present.
Let's see what that sign says. Holy shit. Do not touch scrap metal, do not dig. Well, no wonder they don't want us out here.
Hey, no, there it is. There's that helicopter. Yo, they're legit looking for us.
Don't, if we don't move, they won't see us.
They're like a T-Rex. They're blind.
There's no way they have heat signature or anything on that thing.
Maybe go back and hit that fork going right. Follow that out.
Yeah, I'll follow you. Man, this is so fucking awesome. I can't even believe it, man. Like, there's just so much untouched space out here. If we get pulled over, I'm just gonna say I saw a speed limit sign and we followed it the whole way through.
Alright, sounds good.
I'm following you.
Oh, you're following me? Alright. This has tire tracks.
Alright.
That doesn't.
Well, this, I mean, if we stay right, we're eventually gonna hit something. If you go left, we're gonna end up in Hemet.
Alright.
It was a roller coaster he couldn't get off. Next thing I knew, my friend locked the doors. No.
Uh-oh. We're gonna, looks like we're into a little bit of a predicament right here. Are we gonna shove our bikes through the fence? Or are we gonna go back around?
We got stuck. We were on my family's property, went down the back road, and we couldn't get back up the hill.
Yeah, 'cause I know they don't mess around.
Yeah.
That's California Wildlife Registry.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah,
That's that beautiful sign right there.
yeah,
Oh, fuck yeah. I'm glad we didn't get caught. The sheriff was flying around too.
that's the game warden. The fish and game will come out here.
Yeah. I've met.
All right. Have a good one, boss.
Good safe ride.
I don't know if we're supposed to be doing this, but we're on the fucking highway right now, or the freeway. Shake and bake! Shake and bake! Oh shit! I don't know what he's doing. That's not how you ride a motorcycle! Alright guys, if you like this video, please dislike and unsubscribe just like always.
Hey!